Hello again and welcome to my channel, and this is Yeti Apeji, and I'm here to actually share with you different things about how to work your online business and to ensure that you are efficient, you are effective, and you are able to achieve your goals. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking you through Trello. I've been going through a lot of videos with Trello since I started the channel, and I've had a few questions. And one of the questions was, what does an observer see on Trello Premium? So I'm going to be explaining in this video. So two things I need to mention is, one, Trello Premium gives you the opportunity to add two different types of people to your board. So you can have the option to add someone in invite them as your member, or you can invite someone in as an observer. So in this video, my focus is showing you what an observer sees. A member sees everything you want them to see. So if you give someone access to a board, the member can see everything, can do everything that is just the same way you can. But an observer is different. And in this video, we're going to be tackling that. So I have picked up one of my live boards, and in this board is actually my 90-day planner, which I give out, and you can grab free in the link which I'll put in description. So you can grab that for yourself. So what does an observer see? The observer can see everything in the board. Okay, they can see the board completely. They can see the map view. Okay. They can see timeline if there is any. They can see all that. They can see calendar. Okay. They can see dashboard. Okay, so they can see all these things. Okay, what else can they see? So on the board, what can they do? Let me see. So what can they do on the board? They can actually do nothing really. So if you click on here, you can see that there's an activity. There is nothing they can actually do. They can watch it, they can copy the board, they can share the board. That's basically it. They cannot add a new list, they cannot add a new card, they cannot make any changes at all. So just like their title says, they are actually observers. So that is what they are. They are observers, and they can't do anything else. So this is what they can see, and this is what they can do. They can see their own workspaces, and they can see whatever board they've just recently looked at. If they had start boards, they can see all that. But basically, that is all they can see. The other question I wanted to respond to in this is, in terms of like workspaces, how do you pay for them? So in the Trello pricing structure, you pay for each workspace individually. So if you're going to have 10 workspaces and you want them to all be on premium, you pay for each workspace as an individual workspace. And if you add a member to any of the workspaces, you need to pay for them just the same way you pay for yourself. So you'll be paying for as many people that are members of your board, but you don't pay for an observer. And another thing I wanted you to note is, once you add an observer to one board and you want to add the same observer to another board, you will get a message prompting you that you cannot add this observer because the observer is already access to one board, and you can only add them on as a member. So you would need to pay for that person. So that's what you need to be aware of. There was another question about, which I'll respond to in another video. So in the meantime, I hope you found this video really useful. And if you did, please click on the button to subscribe, and you can please share with your friends or anyone who you believe will find this useful. And if you want to have this 90-day planner, the link will be in there for you, and you can grab it. It's free, and you can use it in any way that you like. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless, and have a wonderful